Hey Cosmic Dreamer, it's Monday night. Let's see what we can find out about your dreams for the night of October 20th, 2025. Tune in, drop into your dreaming body, connect to the intelligence of the universe. Gaia is the card from the Voyage of the Soul Oracle. This is Mother Earth. In the Light Seers Tarot, the card is Hermit in Reverse. In this dream, you're going to experience not being alone because you're surrounded by the great complexity of nature. Maybe you'll notice the trees or the animals or the rocks, but whatever it is, maybe you're feeling the breezes. It's going to be enough context for you to say, I'm glad I'm here with all of this activity. You'll see the supporting qualities of the natural surroundings in the dream. Sweet dreams, Cosmic Dreamer.